Just to remind you that these videos I make are for educational, informational purposes only. I'm not suggesting or recommending you take the same trades that I do. You can if you want to, but it's up to you to manage your own account and to use good risk management. So let's jump over at the chart and see what's going on today. And there's Raj. Hey, good day, mate. You're already here. Wow. So we're looking at gold to start off the session with. Stochastic is very high, overbought, and gold is bounced off of the trend line here. And it's just about top of the hour, another 45 seconds to go, and it looks like gold wants to continue its move down. We've been seeing a retracement here a little bit from our low today, 43.85. Came back up to the pivot point, 44.04. Got a $20 retracement. And now it looks like it wants to continue down. So I know a lot of people got in on the short on gold this morning. This was the 8 Pacific, the Singapore and Shanghai opening over here. And that was a good long short. From top to bottom, almost a $50 drop. From 44.36 down to 43.85, 15, yeah, $51 drop. Oh, you got ahead of Alex, did you? Huh? You beat Alex to the live YouTube. Okay, yeah. But yeah, he's winning the competition. He was way down. He had a big drawdown when I looked at it this morning, but he came back. That's what can happen in just one day. So don't give up. Every day is different. And every day is different on the chart. It's so, oh man, it's unbelievable. And we all know this, and I've said it so many times. It just depends on what's going on in the Middle East. And what's going on over there is crazy. We had a big turnaround at midnight last night, my time, midnight my time. Those of you down under, you were sound asleep. But oil made a big jump up, and that started right at midnight, exactly midnight my time. And it went from $81 up to nearly $85, while everybody down under was asleep. And of course, that meant that gold turned around and NASDAQ turned around, and everything started going the other direction because of what's going on in the Middle East. And that changes from day to day. It just depends on what Trumpty Dumpty says when he wakes up. And now he says he's going to bomb the shit out of Oman, one of the best U.S. allies in the Gulf. And here's where we are. It is what it is. So if oil continues to go up, then gold is likely to continue down. And NASDAQ also likely to continue down. Whoa, making a big drop already today from our high of it was above 30 it was above 30,000 to start the day and already dropping down to 29,682. Get rid of that little indicator there that can be confusing sometimes. So yesterday we wanted to go long on the Nasdaq and today we want to go short. Oh my God. And what's the DXY doing? Probably going up. Yep. And that started during the New York session a little bit and then just kept going up and now it's continued going up today. So everything's just flipped around completely from what it was when we were here 24 hours ago. There's Alex. Hey, good afternoon. Yeah, diesel is the most expensive, eh? It's all being manipulated. You see conflicting reports. Of course, you can't believe anything that Trumpy Dumpty says. He says they're in control, total control of the Strait of Hormuz, but there's other reports that say there's only 4 or 5 ships that are getting out per day. So we don't really know what's going on. We just let the price tell us what it's doing. This morning, price told us gold was bearish, and we took advantage of that and got a good short. We just take it one day at a time. Let the price tell us what it's going to do, and don't hold your trades overnight. I never hold a trade overnight. I never. I don't say never. Never say never. Very rarely. 99.9%. I never hold a trade overnight. And Alex is long on oil. Still long on oil. Okay. Well, if it keeps going up, then you're going to win the competition this week, I think. And so now our top of the hour candle, this first one here is very bearish. And I think we'll probably go down and hit the previous day low. That's where the liquidity pool is. And then we'll see what happens when it gets down there. Let me just go and check my MT5, say I'm all ready to go. Yeah, that's all set up. So it looks like I'm going to get a short trade on gold here. I think you guys already bailed out of your shorts around in here. I think we can go short again. We're looking at this previous day low. This is the target now. 43.67, maybe 43.65 or lower. Maybe 43.50. What is okay? You hold overnight, but you get up very early. Oh, okay. You close that trade on the. Oh, you're not trading oil in the competition. Oh, that's right. You cannot trade oil in the competition. I didn't. I didn't open that one up. We only have gold, Euro, US, Nasdaq, and Bitcoin. Next next month in the next competition, I'll put oil in there in the next competition. I didn't think about it on this one. You need to have alerts set to your alarm clock. So a really big, two big red candles here, two bearish candles. I think we bounced off of the trend line here, so the we bounced off of the pivot line, pivot point 4404, and we also bounced off of the downward trend line. So this is looking very, very bearish, and it's just about to break there. So I'm going to go ahead and go short. This is just looking too good to pass up. I'm going to go ahead and go short on gold, and I'll put my profit target at 8, 40, 43. What did I say? 43.50. Yeah, I think if it breaks below here, it'll go. And the stop loss, I'll put it. I want to put it. I think I'll put it above the pivot point. That's that's pretty high. I don't need to go that high. Maybe 43.98. That should be good enough. Or 43.99. That looks better. Yeah. Give it a little bit more breathing room. And I know I usually wait till it closes there, but it's just looking so bearish. And two accounts open here. Let me get this other one set up. Yeah, that's better. 43.99 for my stop loss. That's not too bad. I'll put that on the chart here. 43.99. See how that looks. Yeah, if it comes up a little bit close here, but if it works its way over, then I'm still above the safety line. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, there's always a pullback. I know. There's always a pullback. You can wait and catch the pullback, or you can wait and it runs away and it goes without you. You can never get it exactly right. And here's the pullback. It's okay. Probably going to go up and touch the 8 EMA, 43.96. You see, if I went short on this one right here, then there was no pullback. But I went short here, and now there's a pullback. You don't know what it's going to do. You just don't know. Can never get it exactly on the tip. It would be nice. What price do you want, Raj? Maybe 44.07? I mean, if it comes down here to 43.67, that's going to be that's going to be a good $23 move. Like I said, guys, I just show you what I do. I'm not suggesting or recommending you take the same trade. I wouldn't expect you to. You have your strategy, you trust your strategy, and trade according to your plan. And who is this? Not Dewey 851. You're waiting on the 15-minute to close. I don't know. Not Dewey. Where are you watching from? I don't think I've seen you in the chat before. Not Dewey 851. And I'm not going to tell you where you should put your money. I will never do that. I don't give signals. I'm not a CPA. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do live trading and show people the trades I take. Not even recommending you take the same trades. It's up to you to manage your own account. I show you my strategy and what I do. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, I know you're on YouTube, but where are you watching from? What country are you in? But if you want to put your savings on gold, gold is it's a safe haven. It's a great asset. You can buy physical gold and hold on to it for long term. Oh, you're in the USA. Okay. What state are you in? Big country over there. New guy or new girl? I'm not sure. So I'm short, and I think the pullback happened, and I think it's coming back down now, Alex. Or maybe it's bouncing off of this Asia low here, and then going to reverse. You never know, eh? It's so easy. It's so easy to analyze the left side of the chart. You ever think about that? It's really easy to analyze the left side of the chart. Oh, I thought you were waiting for a better price. North Carolina on the East Coast. I used to have a friend that lived in Raleigh, North Carolina. There's no cowboys in North Carolina. That's in Texas. And now that pullback seems to have been finished, and I might get down to my break-even price here shortly. Not Julia is a farmer. Tobacco farm? I know they have tobacco farms in North Carolina. So I haven't posted this in a while. Let me go and find that link. Now it's pulling back a little bit more. Well, I can't find it. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's for all the new people that might be passing through here. We do have a Telegram chat group for traders. If you want to join the Telegram group, just click on that link. Yeah, sometimes that happens. It doesn't break below the Asia low, but it's just so bearish. I'm going to hold on to this one. I've got my stop loss in place here at 43.99 right there. And my take profit is down at 43.50, right way down in here. But my first take profit, of course, would be the previous day low, 43.70, 43.67. That would be the first take profit. And 10 minutes before the top of the hour, they made two good candles there. 20 minutes of bearish, big ass red candles. And we decided to take a trade, and it went slowed down. Yeah, we should have a live meeting. Maybe meet halfway. Yeah, I go. He's over in Italy. He hasn't come back to Thailand yet. He's still over in Italy. He'll be back this month, probably in another week or two. You guys come to Bangkok, man. That'd be great. So got kind of an indecision candle here, and nothing much happening there. What's oil doing? Okay, oil is still going up. That's good. Typically, gold should go down. What's Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq continuing down. What's DXY doing? Go. So come on, go down. There it goes a little bit. If we break, if there's a good commitment to break below the Asia low, then for sure we'll go ahead and take out the previous day low. But you're right, Raj. Sometimes it just doesn't take out the low, the Asia low. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I think today it will. It's looking better, eh? Yeah. Just that one hesitation candle. But that's pretty normal. It will retrace back to the 8 EMA. That's our dynamic resistance. And then it makes another run. Whoa, go, baby, go. Yeah. Break that Asia low and keep going. Oh, man. Exciting stuff. Go over here and look, see. Oh, man, I've got good profit already. But we do have a do have a previous low there back on the 10-minute chart. Got this previous low here. It needs to break below that. Show us some conviction. Still another 6 minutes on this candle. Don't bounce off of that. Keep going, baby. What price did you get, Raj? I think you got about 43.93. Whoa. Sorry about that, guys. Knocked over the microphone. Yeah, it needs to break below and keep going. Yeah, all okay. I've got kind of a compact little desk area that I work in. Sometimes I knock over the microphone. See what it does over the next 4 minutes. So now I've got three nice looking red candles there. And then, of course, we have the first line of support at 43.80. It needs to break below that one, too. That green line there, according to the pivot points indicator. Don't forget to click that like button. It does help the channel. and inspires me to be here every day. We need another big push from gold. London Open on oil was right before London Open, they started pushing it down, but now they're starting to push it back up, and now it's going down again. And now it's pulling back. At least we got a lower low. You have to see what this next candle does. Doesn't look so good now. It was looking good. So 10 minutes before top of the hour, that was the time to get in there. Hey, 43.99. Well, let's just see if it's going to work out. My entry price on gold, it's about where we are now. 43. I got just dollars of profit, a little bit of profit. 43.91, $2 profit, $1 profit. 43.91. Not a good price, but if it keeps going and continues to be bearish, then it'll turn out to be a good profit. But now it's going against me. Now I'm at break even. Now I'm in a loss. Let's see if it'll just bounce off of this 8 EMA again. Yeah, I would be surprised if it goes above $85. He's tried that a few times recently, eh? Couldn't get any higher than that. That seems to be the number they want to hold it at. Uh-oh. A big ass green candle now. Not looking so good, eh? Wonder if I got my stop loss a little bit too tight. It doesn't have any breathing room. If I get up here, then I'll probably get stopped out. It looked good on the MT5, but it doesn't look good here on my trend line. No, 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 no. Oh boy. So volatile. What a pullback. Unbelievable. Okay, now I just moved that up $2. So this is where I would normally put it on TradingView, which is just above the safety line. So I had to move it up $2. It didn't, I was just kind of eyeballing it on MT5, but this is where it should actually be, just above the safety line. So now I'm still okay for the time being. But I don't like that big ass green candle. That's just totally unnecessary, eh? Uncalled for. 2 more minutes. Have a look at oil again. Oil going down. Ah, look at that, eh? And gold going up. And US dollar coming down a little bit. Is it just a retracement or are we seeing a change in direction? Stochastic is starting to point upwards now. Let's see what this little indicator does for us here. Nothing at all. See, this indicator got a short signal here. Hasn't given us a long signal. 43.98. 43.98.5. Not looking good at all. What's happened? I don't have that on my screen right now. Why is oil dropping? Strait will remain closed until US meets. Anything can happen. I close. I think it's going to reverse the narrative again. Fundamental shift. Bail on it. Can't always. I don't have that. Let me go get financial juice and see what you guys are talking about here. So, yeah, oil should go up based on that. Hormuz Strait will remain closed until U.S. meets interim deal conditions. I didn't see any siren went off. Was that just now? Yeah, that was just this minute ago. Hey, that should cause oil to go down, oil to go up. When Trump wakes up, he'll say the opposite. Yeah, of course he will. He will say they're in control. They're going to make the Strait of Hormuz a U.S. territory. The guy really lives on another planet. So we're not getting any reaction here. Not initially. Maybe they're trying to digest the news. Usually you get an immediate reaction, eh? And now oil is coming down. That's kind of weird. Like you've been saying, $85 is kind of the top. Yeah, the whole thing is unbelievable. It really is. Sometimes it just seems like a crapshoot. I think the Shanghai Singapore market time is the best now before the US wakes up. Let them give us a decent trade. I tried to trade the NASDAQ last night in the New York session. Man, you talk about volatility. Whoa. Go over and look at NASDAQ from last night. This was last night in the NASDAQ. This is the opening candle when Wall Street opened. Look at that volatility. This is for an hour before they finally got the direction. Took an hour before it finally started to go down. And usually the first hour is the best time to trade. That's what I've noticed anyway. Get back over here and see where we are. Okay. Good thing I moved that stop loss, I think. Would have just about got stopped out, but I'm okay now. It's where it should be, above the trend line, above the safety line. So let's see, is all going back up? No. Well, a little bit. Yeah, it's a mess. It's not easy trading anymore. Well, I don't know. It's got to close below this 8 EMA. It needs to get going. It needs to get some juice. It needs some financial juice. Get below that 8 EMA. See what it's doing on the 5 minute market chart. This is a 10 minute. Let's look at the 5 minute. Okay, this is looking better. I like the 5 minute chart. Okay, now we're at least headed in the right direction. Still a long way to go before my break even point, but let's see. I don't know. Still not looking very healthy, eh? But you bailed out of that, did you, Raj? I'm still in it. I'm going to trust my strategy. Most of the time it works. Now, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah, it's clouding up again. You notice that, Alex? We're getting. It's gonna. It's gonna rain cats and dogs here very shortly. I'm surprised my internet is still holding up. You notice that on the screen, eh? I got one of these lights I can put up here on my computer. Yeah, that's better. I didn't notice you could tell a difference on the streaming. I usually do the streaming in the daytime, and I'm right next to the window, so I don't need the light. But it's handy. But now I can't see my chart. Oh, okay, so broke below the 8 EMA is that's dynamic support. That's looking better, but it needs to come on down. Hey, yeah, it's clouding up. It's monsoon season, guys, and we've been the last couple of weeks we've been getting hammered. It doesn't usually rain so much at this time of year. October is the strongest month for the rain, and then we get flooding. Yeah, come on, this is looking better now. What's oil doing? Oil went up a little bit, not too much. As long as gold stays bearish, I'll be happy. It needs to come down here and break below this Asia low. And that's what we're still looking for. See if I'm back to almost to break even, almost. And now I'm in a little bit of a loss. Well, one more dollar, 10 more pips. Yeah, you're the crude oil trader. The oil trader. Well, if you come in November, December, January, February, that's the best time. That's the coolest time also. December is great. It gets down to about 20 degrees Celsius overnight, and we start wearing jackets. Everybody's got their hoodies on. Wow, I've been here almost an hour, just enjoying the conversation. But I'm going to go ahead and close out, guys. Appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for all the comments, and hope you have a good day of trading. rest of the day, Tuesday, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Don't forget to click that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you can join the Telegram group. The link is above in the comments. Okay, see everybody tomorrow.